Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove your door handle off of your second gen Dodge Ram. And as you can see, I'm getting this door all prepped for paint. That door over there is just about done. The pickup's just about there too. Got a little bit of sanding I got to do to that Bondo there, and then I take the box off. I'm just about there. So I'm just going to get this door all ready and prepped. But I did realize that taking this handle off when I was doing the, I think that's a passenger side door, was a little tricky. So I just want to do a quick video on how to remove it. So the first thing you want to do, if you haven't, you're going to have to remove your door panel. As I said, I'm prepping for paint, so I did that a while back. So once you do that, we're going to go ahead and remove the window. And the window is just held on right here and right there. And it's just basically held by this clamp here. And you can just pry it out. I'm going to have to use both hands to do that. But it'll come out if you just wiggle out and lift up. And then we'll just finagle it right out. Okay, I got the window free, and I'll just pull it straight up. So the latch is held on by 3 bolts. If you look in here, there's one right there. There's that bolt there with that plate that comes out with it. And then if you look right here on your door, there's a plug. We'll take that off, and there will be a bolt right behind there you can get with an extension. So these bolts are an 8mm. I'm just using a 1/4-inch drive with an extension. And I got one out. 2 more to go. And there's the second one. And when I'm taking these out, I just like to tilt my extension back so I don't drop the nut. Just like that. 3 bolts out, but the latch still wants to hang on in there. And that's because there's 2 rods. Here's my passenger side. There's 2 rods. One that goes here to the latch, and one that goes here to the latch. This is your lock cylinder, and this is actually open it when you pull the lever. So we need to get these 2 rods out. And it's almost impossible to get this one out just because it's really kind of pinched in the corner there. I don't know if you can see it. So what I did is actually when I did my passenger side, I took the rods out with them already connected. So we're gonna actually remove the rods from the latch, and then we'll pull the handle out with the rod still connected to it. I'm not actually going to be able to show you and get my camera in there since it's such a tight fit to show you how these latches come out, so I'll just use my passenger as an example. So the rod will be in this hole like that, and then it locks in like that. That's how they work. And to take them out is you gotta, so you'll be going after the bottom. I'm just using the top as an example, but you want to get your hands in there. And you gotta pop this out like that, and then it'll come right off. Just like that. So that's what we're gonna do, but we're taking off the latch. I'll see if I can get my camera in here and show you where these guys are at. Okay, so the first one you see here, this guy, this is actually for your door lock. So that's this thing. So we actually want to get, let's see, we want to get, not that one, but we want to get this behind one off, this orange one, that's one of them. And then there's one, let's see, and then that green one right above it. So you can kind of see there's the lock latch, that red one right in front of us. And then the green one is the one you want to get. Okay, so the latch is loose. And I'll see if I can get you guys to look through this hole right here. And there's our green one, if you can see that way in the back. Okay, I got him. And And now we'll be able to pull our latch right out. Just like that. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it helps some of you. I know it seems pretty easy, but I did kind of struggle my passenger side door just because I didn't loosen up my latch, and that really makes a big difference. If you can just quickly take out those 3 bolts, then you can get your hand in a lot easier that way. A little more access. So guys, make sure you subscribe. I'm about to paint my pickup here in the very near future, so watch for those videos. You're not going to want to miss out. It's my first paint job. Hopefully it turns out. So thanks again, and make sure to subscribe.